In this probability question, we're asked, a magician challenges an audience member to a game in which he will roll a pair of six-sided dice, numbered 1 through 6, and they win based on whether or not they're able to roll the dice so that the sum of both dice comes out to a specific number. So basically they're rolling 2 dice and they're trying to get a particular number. The catch, however, is that the magician gets to pick the number. If the magician is aware of how probability works, what is the one number that he surely wants to avoid picking because it would result in the highest probability of the audience member winning? Okay, so this is a question where you basically need to think about, all right, well, what are my parameters here? I have 2 dice, and what's on one die? The numbers 1 through 6. So you can make a 6x6 matrix of your results. So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you can figure out, well, what do these sum to? What do these, if you roll each of these things on each die, what sums do you get? And therefore, which number ends up being the most common number? Because you want to remember that it's the most common number is the one that the magician is going to want to avoid. So you can set your problem up like this. So where 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, and so on and so forth, right? So this is going to be like this, like this, and so on and so forth. And what you're going to end up finding, I'm not going to go all the way through, what you're going to end up finding is that 7 is the most common number when you add the results of both dice, and therefore that's the number that the magician will want to avoid.